Hello, my name is Sherman, and getting ready to open the Propur whole house water treatment system my wife and I ordered. I'm really excited about it. The reason we went with Propur because of, number one, all of the ratings on the website and the reviews just blow you away about the quality of the system, and what we were looking for was something that's going to remove all of the bad stuff but leave the good stuff behind, and that's what we found with the Propur system. It's also a saltless system. We didn't want a lot of salt running through the house and through our pipes, and this was just excellent. It comes with the standard 3-tank system, which you're going to see me open in a minute, and also we got the additional softener and conditioner to soften the water and give us that wonderful saltwater feel. But I just want to get to it, and we're excited about getting it. In case a lot of people don't know, they also started doing some things to the water here in Pinellas County, Florida, just recently, where they're adding fluoride to it. And we were really quick to start doing some research and find something to resolve that issue for our home and for our family. And so we're convinced that Propur was the right choice for that.